your cat. Hi! In this second video, let's discover Africa's deserts, savannas, and rainforests. Its animals and tribes. Are you ready to explore this amazing continent? Let's do it! Come with me! Africa has three main kinds of ecosystems: deserts, savannas, and rainforests. In Africa, there are two main deserts: the Sahara and the Kalahari Desert. As mentioned before, the Sahara is the largest desert on Earth. It includes at least part of 10 countries, and it is the hottest region in the world, where rain is very rare. Much of Sahara's surface is rocky. Also, there are places where there is a supply of underground water called oases. As you can see, we can find another desert in southern Africa, the Kalahari Desert. The name Kalahari comes from a local word meaning waterless place. Some of the world's largest diamond mines can be found in this desert. Animals of the desert include, of course, camels, lions, baboons, hyenas, meerkats, the African gazelle, the addax, a large white antelope that can go nearly a year in the desert without drinking water, the Saharan silver ant, and the death-stalker scorpion that can be 10 centimeters long. Its venom is very dangerous. Dromedary camels and goats are the domesticated animals most commonly used by nomads. Nomads are people who move from place to place. In the Sahara, we can find nomadic people called the Tuareg. The Tuaregs have been called the blue people from the indigo dyed colored clothes they traditionally wear and which stains their skin. They raise camels, sheep, and goats. Now let's talk about savannas. They are covered with tall grasses. They have seasonal rains and dry periods. Most savannas get enough rain to support the forest, but the forest never happens because something keeps the trees from growing. It can be animals that graze and knock over trees, like elephants, or fires. It is in the African savanna where we can find this majestic tree, the baobab, a tree with a very thick trunk. Some herbivores, animals that only eat plants found in the savanna, are antelopes, impalas, gazelles, buffaloes, wild beasts, zebras, giraffes, elephants, and warthogs. There is also a large number of carnivores, including cats, lions, leopards, cheetahs, jackals, and hyenas. The African savanna contains the land in which the Masai people live. They are pastoral nomads that travel to find land where their animals can graze. Their diet includes milk, butter, honey, cattle blood, and meat. The Maasai are very tall people. The women wear bracelets and colorful beads around their necks. Both men and women wear earrings. The Maasai are well known for their traditional dances. Now, let's take a deeper look into the rainforest. The Congo Rainforest is the second largest on the planet, next to the Amazon. A rainforest is a dense area of tall, mostly evergreen trees found in tropical regions with consistently heavy rainfalls. The Congo Rainforest is renowned for its rich biodiversity. Some of its most famous residents include chimpanzees, gorillas, hippos, tigers, the African elephants, which are smaller than the ones found on the savanna. The okapi, or forest giraffe, is another fascinating resident of the Congolese rainforest. It has stripes like a zebra, but it is most closely related to the giraffe, although its neck is not as long. Also, deep in Kenya is where we can find the Samburu, a tribe of colorful, strong, and brave people who have survived in the rainforest despite the constant threat of dangerous wildlife. Both men and women wear jewelry, such as colorful necklaces, earrings, and bracelets. The Samburu also paint their faces with striking patterns to accentuate their facial features. We hope you like it and learned a lot about this wonderful continent.
Thank you.